after encountering the Fortnite Matchmaking error 2026, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to get back into the game. Step 1. Restart Fortnite. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and connection issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite status page or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your Fortnite client is up to date. Go to a game launcher and check for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using the Epic Games launcher, you can verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can fix matchmaking issues. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the problem persists, try resetting your network settings. This can be done through your device's settings menu. After resetting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or wired connection and launch Fortnite again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy playing Fortnite again. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.